Click on the link below to get price. Welcome back to the show. I'm so glad you could join us today as we dive into the world of electric bikes. Well, today I'm excited to introduce you to a revolutionary solution, the Ridstar Electric Bike. This isn't just any bike. It's a game changer for anyone looking for a smarter, more efficient, and honestly, a much more enjoyable way to get around. Say goodbye to the daily commuting woes and hello to the exhilarating experience of riding the Ridstar. So, let's break down what makes the Ridstar truly special. First up, it boasts a powerful motor available in either 1000 or 2000 watts. That's right, whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling those rugged mountain trails, this bike can handle it all with ease. And those sturdy 20-inch fat tires? They provide incredible stability on any journey, making every ride feel smooth and secure. Now, let's get to the fun part, speed. The Ridstar can reach up to 30 miles per hour. Can you imagine zipping through traffic like a breeze? You'll leave all those frustrated drivers in your dust. Plus, with its long-lasting battery, you can travel for miles and miles without a care in the world. Just picture the freedom of riding without constantly worrying about running out of juice. Comfort is another key element that the Ridstar doesn't overlook. Its ergonomic design ensures that you can ride for hours without feeling fatigued. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, the Ridstar is user-friendly and accessible for everyone. It's all about making your ride as enjoyable as it is efficient. And I can't stress this enough. Safety is paramount. The Ridstar comes equipped with bright lights and reliable brakes, ensuring you can confidently navigate diverse terrains without a hitch. You'll feel secure no matter where your adventures take you. Now, in today's world, sustainability is more important than ever, right? Well, the Ridstar shines in this department too. It stands as an eco-friendly alternative to traditional vehicles, helping you reduce your carbon footprint while embracing the great outdoors. And what could be better than contributing to a greener planet while having fun? But don't just take my word for it. There's a whole community of users out there raving about how the Ridstar has transformed their daily commutes into something they actually look forward to. I've heard stories of folks who found joy in their rides again, who started exploring their neighborhoods in ways they never thought possible. Their excitement is infectious and might just inspire you to make the switch to electric biking. So, are you ready to embrace a better commute? If you're interested in discovering more about the Ridstar Electric Bike, I encourage you to check out our website or pop into a local store. Elevate your travel experience and unlock the thrill of the ride today. Let's embark on this journey together, and who knows, we might just make commuting fun again. Before we wrap up, I'd love for you to take a moment and reflect on your own commuting experiences. What frustrates you the most about your current transport method? And how do you think an electric bike like the Ridstar could change your daily routine for the better? Keep those thoughts in mind as you consider a new way to elevate your commute. Until next time, ride safe and happy commuting. Click on the link below to get price.